Okay, I just dropped the battery in this. Haven't started it since we parked this here last year, if you guys ever watched that video. Oh, yes. Oh, it still smells good. She started? It's not very cold out. It's actually melting when it's in the sun, but here's the gas. There we go. Run like a champ. I was thinking about taking this one, but it's just so fucked up. It's got rust in the cab corner. There, down there. Tires are all flat. Fucking running strong, man. Try the Taurus next. Okay, battery's in. This thing, same deal. Oh yeah, look at that. Digital dash. Oh. Trying it again. Just like that. Still running strong. I wonder how all the tires are on this thing. Maybe she'll move. That girl seemed pretty good to me. Hey, right on, girl, pumped up. We'll let her warm up. GMC V8. Yep. It's the white piece of shit. Put the battery in her. Let's see if we can get some cranking. How you looking at it? Holy shit. Well, the mice like it. Little bastards. Oh, she's in gear. Okay. Oh, fucked up my... Okay. Let's try this again. What the fuck? Oh, give her prime for a good time. Okay, I just gave her a bit of some juice. Okay, another prime. As you can tell, the mice love this thing. Fucking choke stuck. Oh, you can just smell that old gas.